Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw the BMW M3 E30. Let's begin by establishing the car's basic proportions on your paper. Start with a light outline for the overall length and height, then block in the main body shape. Pay close attention to the wheel arches and how they align. This foundational step is crucial for achieving a balanced and accurate representation of this iconic vehicle. Now, let's refine the body lines and add some key details. Carefully draw the distinctive M3 fender flares, giving the car its aggressive stance. Move on to the front, sketching the classic BMW kidney grille and the rectangular headlights. Don't forget to detail the wheels, including the spokes and the subtle texture of the tire treads. These elements truly bring the E30 to life. With the exterior taking shape, let's add some interior elements and finishing touches. Lightly sketch the dashboard and the contours of the seats visible through the windows. Include the side mirrors and door handles, ensuring they align with the car's proportions. Finally, go over your lines, refining them for crispness, and begin to add some basic shading to give your drawing a sense of depth and form. To make your BMW M3 E30 drawing truly pop, focus on advanced shading and textures. Use varying pencil pressures to create realistic shadows under the car and within the wheel wells. Add subtle textures to represent the reflective glass surfaces and the smooth finish of the paintwork. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, if you're looking to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. These final details will elevate your artwork, giving it a professional and polished appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.